In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom CSS for your HighLevel dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your styles so you can fine-tune colors, spacing, and elements across your dashboard to better match your brand. Start by logging into your HighLevel account and switching to the agency view. This is important because the customization options we're about to use live at the agency level, not inside an individual sub-account. If you don't see the agency view option, make sure your user role has the proper permissions, or check with your account admin. Once you're in agency view, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This is your central hub for account configuration. From there, select the Company section. Think of Company as the place where your global branding, assets, and white label options are managed. Inside Company, head to the Whitelabel tab. This is where HighLevel groups all the controls related to the look and feel of your platform, including the area where you'll add custom CSS. If you're managing branding for clients, this is also where you'd typically adjust logos, colors, and domain settings. So it's good to get familiar with this space. Scroll down until you find the Custom CSS field. This is a dedicated input where you can paste your style rules. A quick tip before you paste. Have your CSS prepared and tested in a snippet tool or a staging environment when possible. Keep your selectors specific to avoid unintentionally changing unrelated elements, and add brief comments in your CSS so you remember what each block controls later. Now paste your custom CSS code into the field. For example, you might adjust primary button colors, refine table fonts, or change sidebar backgrounds. If you're targeting specific components, inspect elements in your browser to confirm class names and structure so your rules apply cleanly. It's also a good practice to group related rules together and avoid using overly aggressive selectors like the universal asterisk unless you truly need them. When you're satisfied with what you've added, click Save Changes. Give the interface a moment to update, then refresh your browser to see the new styles take effect. If something doesn't look right, return to the Custom CSS field, revise your rules, and save again. Keeping a backup of your previous CSS in a separate file can help you quickly roll back if needed. That's it. You've successfully applied custom CSS to your HighLevel dashboard, creating a more polished, on-brand experience for your team and clients. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized workspace.